I know it's been a little minute since I posted the video, but I figured I'd give you guys one today. Excuse that old Peterbilt out there. I just got it. But this is what we're doing today. Working on the old International. I had some, one of my cat airbags was leaking, of course, and it was just keeping my compressor running, so I had to change it. Mind you, that whole air sleeper suspension is only 2 years old, and the airbag is already leaking. So that just goes to show you can have a brand new truck, and after 2 years, you're gonna have to start putting money into it. So just an FYI. So all trucks require maintenance, you know. But plastic. Hold on a second. Let me get this plastic. Bear with me. Sorry about that. I don't want the plastic blowing all over the yard. But this is real simple to put on. Hold on. Let me pause it. All right, guys. Y'all can see that I'm under the truck. All it is I already put one on already. And all it is a push airlock hose fitting. Same thing. Of course, you have to take off your little air fitting. And when I bought this kit, it came with it has some kind of locking retainer, as y'all can see up there. It's a little metal lock ring, and I'm gonna eventually get that all the way down. But these, they just you put them in there. Let me show you. It's real easy. I might need two hands for this, but you compress these shocks. They'll compress. Let me see. There you go. They'll compress and just stick it in there like that. Yeah, here's that snap ring I was telling y'all about. Yeah. And they thread on the bottom on this truck. This is an International. Make sure you got it started right, and you don't want to cross thread it. And you just screw them down. Simple. Until you get it flush. You don't want it super duper tight, but you don't want it to where it's not tight enough to where it'll come loose. And that's how you do it there. Well, here, give me a second. I'm gonna put the airline and stuff back on, and I'm gonna crank the truck up, and I'm gonna show you guys. You guys can save you some money doing some of this stuff yourself. Like I said, I put this unit on here about 2 years ago. I got the videos on it. If you guys want to check it out, along with this is new and everything. But yeah, after 2 years, if you got a new truck, old truck, new truck, after 2 years, stuff just gets worn out, and you don't have to replace it. So some of you guys buying these $180,000, $200,000 trucks, man, get you a truck that you can buy outright, put a few dollars in it, and it'll be good to you in the long run. I guarantee it. As long as you take care of it and maintenance it properly. But give me a second. I'm gonna pause the video for a second. I'm gonna finish hooking up all the little air fittings and the push locks. Most of you guys know how push lock fittings go. So I'm finna get after it. Give me a second. All right, now we're putting the push lock fittings back on. Push that on. I may need both hands. There we go, that one's on. Sorry about the camera view. It's touching. I feel like is it touching? No, it's not touching. Throw that one in there. There we go. Put the air ride suspension. Hook the air ride suspension back up. All right. It should be ready to go. I forgot to tell you guys too. You're gonna need a bottle jack to jack the the cab up to be able to get those bags on there. About to crank the truck up. We're gonna have to let the truck air up to get that bottle jack off from under there. We'll have to let the truck build air pressure first. Be right back. Here, I had to unhook it right here real quick. Hold on. I pulled the whole damn thing off. Hold on a second. All right. Let me lift this up. There we go. Hold on, I got it backwards. Hold on a second. All right. There we go. I got it hooked up right now. And see now, you remove your bottle jack. Harbor Freight. You can get this at Harbor Freight. They're not paying me to say that. I got a 20-ton jack too that you can use pneumatic air to air up. But we're about to check and make sure we don't have any leaks with these new bags. Give me a second. There we go. I don't hear these leaking anymore, but I do have an air leak somewhere up this way. I'm gonna put some soapy water on and I'm gonna find it today as well. But that's all I pretty much wanted to show you guys is how to do the air suspension on the cab on the Eagle on the International Navistar, a 1999 9400 International. That's what this is. So catch y'all later.